Hi everyone, I'm Masai Abraham and welcome back to Mac Tutorials. If you are new here, this is your go-to channel for simplifying tech and boosting productivity. In today's video, I'll show you how to use your Android phone as a webcam with OBS in Windows 11. This method is quick, easy, and best of all, it's free. The fun thing about this method is it's wireless, so no need to panic, just sit back, relax, and watch the tutorial to the end. Just a quick note, this video is inspired by a viewer's comment on my previous tutorial about using an iPhone as a webcam. So shout out to you Anyango Jacqueline and Nyangi Munyasia for the idea. So without much ado, let's dive in. First of all, open your favorite browser. As usual, I'll be using Google Chrome. Then search for Iriun webcam. The term is Iriun, I-R-I-U-N. I don't know how you'll pronounce that, but for me, I'll just opt to go with Iriun webcam. Click the official link. Once you've clicked on it, download the Windows version. Just give it a moment for the download to complete. It's a small file. It will just take a few minutes. Once it has been downloaded, run the installer. The setup process is super quick. Just follow the prompts and boom, it's installed. Now launch the app, then leave it as it is, then move to your Android phone. Now grab your Android phone. For illustration purposes, I'm using Oppo A57 in this tutorial. Head over to your Google Play Store, then search for Iriun webcam, then download and install it. Once the installation process is done, open the app and press allow to grant permissions for the camera and microphone. Once you've granted permission, here's the cool part about it. As long as your phone and computer are connected to the same Wi-Fi network, the camera automatically launches when the app is open. As you can see now on my screen, the camera is already showing. I've not clicked on any connect button. As long as you are connected to the same Wi-Fi, once the app is launched, that is why we launched our PC app, then move to our Android. As long as the app is launched, then it connects automatically. Please note that you can switch between the front and back camera depending with your preference. Now that we have successfully connected our phone camera to our PC, let us proceed with the final step, which is setting it up on OBS. Now let's bring it all together in OBS. Open OBS, then under the sources, click the plus icon, then select add a new video source. Name it something you like. For my case, I'll just use Iriun webcam. Then once you've named it, click OK. From the drop down list, select the Iriun webcam. By default, it is under the integrated webcam. So select the Iriun webcam, and there it is. Your Android phone is now your webcam. You can start recording or streaming right away, whether you are creating content, attending meetings, or just experimenting. For example, I'll be experimenting just to record my screen so that you can see how it works. And that's it, guys. Your Android phone is now a fully functional webcam for OBS. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to Mac Tutorials, and share this video with anyone who could use a simple webcam setup. If you got any questions or ideas for future videos, just drop them in the comment section. I love to hear from you. Thank you again for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Remember to stay safe. Signing out. Peace.